Welcome to today's video. I'm Rachel and I normally do videos on houseplants and natural living, some gardening things, but Gunthor's playing with his little dumpling right now. And I'll show you that in just a second because we got his bark box in the mail today and I just want to do a cute little video on it. Anyways, I guess I'll get to the video. You excited to open your bark box, Gunthor? Where is it? Oh, where'd it go? Should we go get it? Yeah? Yeah, you are? Okay, let's see. Let's see how exciting it is. What? What? What's inside? You want to see? Oh. What is? Oh, Buck! What is it? Oh! Oh, he found a stick. Oh, let's see. What's this one? This is like a car theme. Oh, it's takeout. Oh, how cute. Roly cannoli. Oh, you like it, Gunthor? And then what's this one? Oh, it's like, Lady Liberty.
What's that?
It's the Statue of Liberty head. Gunthor! He's hiding. Gunthor! Gunthor, I gotta open that up for you. Come on. Is this your favorite part? Is this your favorite thing? Yeah? Okay. You wanna share it with Vivi? You don't? Well, you're going to. No, get down. Right. No, sit. Stay. Hey, Vivi. You want some? Here, let me break you off a piece too. Oh, wow, this actually smells really good. Is that yummy? You still have a whole bunch. That's cute. Oh, they're like shaped like turkey legs.
Huh?
Cute. Oh my goodness, there's dumplings inside that? Oh my goodness, how cute. Here, let me see one. They squeak? Oh my gosh. That's so adorable. Do they have different faces? Oh. What's that one's face like? Oh, it's a little winky face. Cute.
This is
Arr. Is that so fun? Oh, I got this whole little box. Oh, and this has crinklies on it. They love crinklies. Well, this was the wrapping in it.
How?
Bark Slope Street Fair. Cute. That's fun. So it's like street fair food, I guess. That's adorable. Right there. Oh yeah, you like it? Should we see if he likes all the treats? Okay.
I can open. Oh,
His face.
His eye and he.
Is that all you can see is his eye?
No.
Oh, you can see his whole face. That's a nice big treat. They're soft too, so we can take them apart for Vivi, so they're not so big for her. Huh. Oh. Good boy.
I'm going to eat turkey leg again.
Where's Vivi?
Vivi, treat!
She needs some treats. Vivi! Come here. Here. No, Gunthor, sit. See, she does a dance. That's her only trick. Oh, hey.
Did I get it?
Oh, you can give her a bigger piece, sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to split it in half for you? There, good job. Okay, now give that to Gunthor. And give the other one to Vivi. You can give her the whole piece and she'll take it to her bed. No, Gunthor. Gunthor, no. There she goes. Yeah, trying to eat that without her teeth. At least she has her back teeth. Does this unroll? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Thomas, look inside.
I know.
You opened it already? That's so funny. Get there. Look at your toy. You don't care about your toys now, do you? You're like, no, I want more gyros and turkey legs. This one's a little easier to squeak than the last squirrel, huh?
But this one's really easy.
Oh, so what's the other toys? There's French fries and ketchup. Falafel. Fluffawful.
And French fries.
Oh my goodness. Is that fun?
Look at this is really nice to see.
I lost the ending of my footage somewhere, so today I'm in a different outfit, of course, because it's a different day and my hair's a little fuzzier. But I still wanted to tell you why I want to make this video. I mean, it's cute because Gunthor's opening his bark box, but also my mom wanted to see him open it. She's the one that actually pays for it because she got it for her puppy, which is Star's sister, and she wanted to get it so that way Gunthor and Thomas can open up a prize every month, basically. They get 3 toys every month and 2 bags of treats and then like a chew stick. And which is perfect because Gunthor and Vivi both go through that amount of treats every month, basically. And it's, I mean, they have several treats a day because Gunthor is being trained right now. We're, you know, teaching him manners and stuff and to come and to be good and to mind us. And then Vivi's just, she's 13 and she deserves lots of treats, basically. My mom has 2 other dogs that are older and they like to kind of tear them up a little bit more. And then that way she just has some nicer toys out for her salon too, that once the older dogs can kind of tear them up, or if Star managed to eviscerate them, which she often does to Gunthor's toys, especially like his favorite toys. And then I get home and I go upstairs and there's fluff everywhere much of the time. It's helpful not having to go to the store and buy toys that are like $8 or whatever, or you know, I mean, you can get cheaper toys too, but those last even less time. And these are really well-made toys and they last them quite a while. They haven't torn up any of them yet so far. Some people that their dogs don't chew up the toys as much, they will just keep the dog's favorites and then they'll send the other toys to a local dog shelter so that way dogs that don't have a home can have new toys too. I think that's really actually a neat idea and pretty cool that you can help dogs at the same time, and that way it's just like you don't have to really think about it, and it's fun because every box is themed. Last time it was Vikings. It was so adorable. There's these little Viking squirrels and they're so cute. And the time before that they were like my mom got a Frida Kahlo squirrel in it. It was so cute. Anyways, that's all that I wanted to really tell you about these boxes. We just really like them and the treats are good. They don't cause any upset problems with the dogs and they don't have any grains in them, so they're pretty cool. And I hope you guys have a really great week, and I hope you don't mind this kind of different video than from what I normally do. So have a really great week, you guys. Bye.